Hello everyone, we are Sentinel Tech, and in this video we are going to talk about latest advancement in crop health monitoring technology. Gone are the days when farmers had to rely solely on their instinct to determine the health of their crops. With the crops health monitoring technology, farmers can now keep track of their health of their crops in real time. These sensors can collect a wide range of data from soil moisture level to air temperature to the amount of sunlight the crops are receiving. All of this information is then sent to computer system where it can be analyzed and used to make informed decision about health and well-being of the crops. Before the farmers started using this technology, they would have to guess when their crops needed water, or if they were getting enough sunlight. Now they can see all the data in one place and they know right away if there is a problem. But it is not just about keeping the plants healthy. This technology can also help farmers increase their productivity and profitability. By tracking things like soil moisture and temperature, farmers can adjust their irrigation and fertilization schedule to ensure the best possible yield. And it is not just a traditional crop either. This technology can be used for all kinds of plants, from vegetable to flowers. In fact, some farmers are even using it to monitor the health of their greenhouse plants. So there you have it, the latest in crop health monitoring technology. As farms continue to become more high-tech, we can expect to see even more innovations that make our lives easier and our crops healthier. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.